Alright, time to make some real tier credit progress. It's earlier and I hit it. Do it again. Ooh. Interesting hand.
Alright, this doesn't work. Oh man. We'll be done with $5 grand for the trip, so. Here's nothing.
You're gonna go very slow. And hope for a pair would be nice. Jesus. Forward and made a full house. Pop a 2 out there. Okay. Okay. Oh, all the 8 was there. Well, if I could have stuck it out, but I don't think I would have stuck it out. I'd be filling it in more. Well, I'm okay. I'm off $1,000 from my high, but so we did that so we can actually control our future a little bit better.
Cool.
You know, there's a lot of that's happened. My own Sirius satellite radio at 11 cents. It's up $7. That took a long time though. I mean, that was like.
I think everyone's serious.
It took a long time. Oh yes! There it is. Woo! This is five biggest trips in a row where I've hit aces. Now, not the best game, but that's okay. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. Oh, that ain't gonna do nothing. Nope. No way. Again. 2 times in like 15 minutes? I don't even know. Woo! I'm playing the wrong game.
ACES, 4 ACES twice now in like 15 minutes. That puts me up 11,000, I think. Something like that. Yes. Unbelievable run. And I still got 2,500 in free play coming tomorrow. And 7-star status. Crazy.
All right. Back-to-back magic. Not this time. Come on. Oh, I thought it was straight. That'll do good. Okay. There's a stack of jackpots for the night.
So I had 4,300 in. I was down my last $50 bet, and I went on an $11,000 run off that 50 bucks. I'm gonna count now and see where I'm at, but I think it's over 9,000, so let's see. Okay, my math is off by a little bit. Up 7,735 bucks, and my high was about 10, so my peak was about 10, not 11, but 7,735 after being down like 4,300 on my last 50 bucks. Oh, it's a pretty good run. Yeah, that's a really good run. So that's like $11,000, $12,000 run. Anyways, good first night. Got my 5,000 tier credits, and that gives me $1,200 in free play so far, but we got to make a run another 6,000 to get 7-star and get my full 2,500 in free play.